All right, question number 25. Let's get right into it. So we're given a picture of a silo here, and it says a grain silo is built from two right circular cones and a right circular cylinder with internal measurements represented by the figure above. Of the following, which is the closest to the volume of the grain silo in cubic feet? All right, guys, so if we take the volume of this top part, the volume of this bottom part, and the volume of the middle part, we add them together, we should get the volume for the total thing. So let's go ahead, the volume for a cylinder, and they should give this to you on the SAT. It's going to be pi r squared times h, and then the volume of a cone is going to be pi r squared h divided by 3. Now, one thing to keep in mind here is that the height of the cylinder is 10, and the height of the cone, both cones, is 5. So if I want to keep these h's consistent, I'm going to rewrite this as pi r squared h divided by 2. So 10 divided by 2 is 5, which is this height right here, and then divided by 3. So when I run this entire thing through here, I'm going to end up with pi r squared h divided by 6. Okay. Now remember, guys, we're dealing with two cones, so I actually want 2 times this volume. So when I run this calculation through, I get pi r squared h divided by 3. All right, guys, now all I have to do is just add these two values together. So I'm going to get the total volume is going to be pi r squared h plus pi r squared h divided by 3. So let's see, I'm going to make this, 3 over 3. So I will have v equals 4/3 pi r squared h. And if I plug in my value for the radius, it's going to be 4/3 pi 5 squared, which is 25. And then the height is 10. So if I plug this into my calculator, let's see, 4 divided by 3 multiplied by pi multiplied by 25 multiplied by 10. And I will get 1047.2 as my answer, and that matches with answer choice D. All right, guys, that is in fact the correct answer. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below, and I'll see you in the next video.